So we're going to prompt language models, 4 of them, to make a game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and we are going to measure their performance and the quality of game that they are going to give us. So as you can see, I had earlier run I had I had earlier on I had earlier on prompted ChatGPT to make a racing game. Here it is, and these are the stack and how it did it, and this is the code itself. And after that, I put the code in Visual Studio Code in the text editor. I merged the CSS and the JavaScript and rendered it using a browser. And this is the kind of game that ChatGPT came up with. You can see this is the car, this is the environment. So you can rate it for yourself. This is a game from ChatGPT. You see. So let's go to Qwen and see what kind of game. So I was in the process of of prompting it before my laptop shut down, but it's now back again. You know, for Qwen, you don't have to take the text and put it on a text editor so that you can render it on a browser. It kind it kind of has a natural inbuilt organic text editor. So you just download your code as a HTML file and you open it. And this is the kind of game Qwen has made for us. So you can compare the game for ChatGPT, Qwen, and we are going to go to Copilot and Gemini. So this one is for Qwen. This one is for Qwen. It's kind of it's kind of realistic. It's kind of good to play. It's kind of makes sense. It's entertaining. I can't believe that this Chinese model can make a good game using very minimal technology stack. So if this is a game made using Qwen, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, just look at it. Very entertaining. Although, yes, it's very entertaining. This one is from this one is from ChatGPT. Look at the way it's so trashy, boring. Doesn't even make sense. Okay. We are also going to add a bonus language model, which is Grok. We're going to see how Grok will perform. So this this is from ChatGPT. This is from Qwen. This is from Qwen. This one. So although it's not a racing game because we don't have opponents that we are racing up against, but it has cars. It's just nice to play. Very kind of addictive. So let's go to Copilot and see what's going to give us. So it's kind of thinking. It's using the GPT-5 model, which is their flagship model. Remember, GPT-5 flagship model is better than Qwen 3 flagship model. So let's see what kind of game is going to, because I never wanted to use very decisive prompt. I just wanted to use easy prompt and see how this thing can handle the decision making, and the thinking and the creativity. And we are going to decide who is the most creative of them all. So this is for Copilot. Let me copy the whole code, put it in a text editor. It has given us it has given us it has given us the code, everything in one file. So I'm going to choose HTML. I'm going to call it Copilot Racing. I'm going to save it. And then we're going to go to reveal it in a browser. We're going to run it. This one is also kind of interesting. But it's so it's so hard. It's so hard, but it's just similar to the one Qwen gave, but it's so unplayable. So unplayable. It's so unplayable. You can speed up, you can slow down, you can speed the car up. Let us go slowly and see if we are going to get a good score. Okay, so we've seen this one's from Copilot. This racing game is from Copilot. This one is from Qwen. See the one from Qwen. This one is from Qwen. So the one from Copilot and the one from Qwen, they are so similar. And then this one is from ChatGPT. So it seems ChatGPT is lagging behind because this is their car, this is their car, this is their environment. And you can see here it has a speedometer saying that our car is going at 100 kilometers per hour. But we can you can although I can give it some, I can praise it a bit and say that it tried to make a 3D game. So let's see what Gemini is going to do. So it's done thinking. It has separated the files the same way ChatGPT did. so let's see what it has in store for us. This is Copilot. I'm going to put new text file. I'm going to paste it there. This is from Gemini, so I'm going to put it Gemini racing game. I'm going to save. Then I'm going to rename this one. I'm going to, because we already have a game.js, so I'm going to put that game1. Then go to Gemini, pick our JavaScript. Game1. Yeah. Yes, so we're going to run our game in Explorer. So for Gemini, nothing. The screen is just white because we don't have any problem. Yeah, we don't have any problem. Yeah, we don't have. This is game1.js. So for Gemini, it doesn't work. So let us try the last one. Elon Musk has been praising this AI model, saying that it is the most intelligent. So let's see how intelligent is Grok. See how intelligent is Grok. And you guys, you can follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter account. So I'm going to say, let's see who's gonna win. This is said to be one of the most intelligent. So let's see how intelligent it is. Let me call it Grok game. Save. Explorer. Explorer. It's just the same. Just the same type. But it's playable. For Grok it's playable. Yeah, you can see the score here. This is the game. So we've seen those game over. For Grok it's playable.